Welcome to the video on how to import a GeoPackage file. A GeoPackage file consists of one or more feature layers. When importing features from a GeoPackage file, there are two options. Option 1. Import a selection of the features based on manually configured matching. Or Option 2. Import features using a Geo plugin that handles the matching. In this video we will focus on the first option. To import a GeoPackage file, select Current Situation in the ribbon bar and click on Geo Import. Once the Geodata wizard has opened, click Next to begin. In this video we will import buildings for measures. Therefore we select the Measures option and click Next. Since we do not yet have a measure, we select the first option named New Measure. We keep the Buildings option selected and click Next to continue. In this step we select the GeoPackage file option and click Next. In this step we will select a file from the GeoShare. Alternatively, you can select a local file. For GeoPackage files, we need to select which layers we would like to import. Note that each layer shows an amount of identified features. We choose to import all layers by clicking on the Select All button and click Next to continue. In this step we can visually inspect the features. Click Next to continue. In this step we can select a filter, but we want to import all features from the selected layers, so we select No Filtering. Here we select what method is used to name the created buildings. We select the second option and base the naming on the layer attribute. Inspect the example naming scheme and click Next to continue. We import all attributes in this step and click Next. In this step we decide how to assign functions to the features. When importing features from multiple layers, it is advised to use a Geo plugin in this step to match functions to features. How to configure such a Geo plugin is explained in a different video. In this GeoPackage example we have 5 different layers. We will match each layer to a different function. Select the option Function Custom Mapping. Next, add a new name filter by clicking on the Add button in the bottom of the screen. Next, select the layer attribute for the function filter. Also check the specific value box and click on the Values button to select a layer name for the value. Finally, we select a function by clicking on the Select button. Now we repeat this step 4 times for the other layers. We keep the default function on Other function and click Next to continue. In this step we can select the stakeholders. We will use the default stakeholder and click Next. Click Finish to create the measure with buildings based on the configuration. Next we can inspect the measure that was imported by the Geo wizard. With the Measures Overview panel opened, select the newly added measure. Click on the Activate Measure link and inspect the result in the 3D visualization. You now know how to import a GeoPackage with a custom mapping. Also remember that the custom mapping can be automated using a Geo plugin in the function assignment step in the Geo wizard.